I think I was nominated for the drive and initiative I had to actually start several businesses and make them successful. So yeah, I'm really, really grateful for the nomination and winning it.
That's fantastic. And we also have the sponsors of the awards, CMI Cymru.
Well, I think quite a few people will have creativity, will have ideas for a business, but being able to marry that with the actual drive to get it off the ground and the resilience to keep it going is a really impressive achievement. So fair play to Anna for doing that, because she absolutely has, not just with one business but with 4. And you said to me as we were walking up the stairs that you have a team of people who pretty much do it for you now, which is the hallmarks of a... Yes, I'm slightly jealous of that one, but the hallmarks of a really, really good leader and manager as well. So
Congratulations on winning.
yeah,
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Anna, well done.
Thank you.
Well done.